Grade 5, how are you all? I hope you all are good and having great time at your home. Grade 5, we are going to start our computers new unit number 6, Microsoft Word. Today we will do reading of this, and tomorrow in our next lecture we will do its practical. I will tell you how to open this and how we will do work in it. Okay? You have learned how to make simple Word document in WordPad. Microsoft Word, popularly known as MS Word or simply Word, is a word processor. Word is a very versatile software. It is part of the Microsoft Office package. We have the Microsoft Office package. In this we also get Microsoft Word, we also get Excel, we also get PowerPoint. So this is the package. In this lesson you will learn how to use Word and some of its features. You will learn about more advanced features of Word in your later classes. Some basic features of Word is text editing. What is text editing? It is cutting, copying or pasting of text. Next is spelling and grammar check. Wrongly spelled words or grammatical errors are easily identified. The appearance of text can be easily changed by changing the font type, size and style and margins. Page format. The size of page can be set according to our requirement. Inserting clip art. Pictures can be added to a document from library of ready-made pictures called clip art. Here is the definition of clip arts. Pictures from a library of ready-made pictures. Then is the mail merger, the facility of combining two files into one. Clear? Here I can show you. I have opened a Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, and we can write here anything, we can paste here anything. Next, we will read about starting Word, how we will start this. To start Word, follow these steps. Click on Start button on the desktop of your computer. The Start menu appears. Click on All Programs option in the Start menu. All program appears. Click on Microsoft Word icon. The Word window appears on the screen. Then Document window. The Word window is also called the document window. This is the document window that is open in my laptop also. It displays the following component. These components is displayed when we open this. Here is the title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, minimize button, maximize button, close button. Then here is the ruler bar, vertical scroll bar. This is the workspace, and here is the horizontal scroll bar. Then status bar. In our next lecture I will show all these parts in the laptop. Okay. Next is the title bar. The title bar is displayed at the top of the window. The name of the current active Word file is displayed on the left hand side of the bar. The control box with 3 buttons to minimize, maximize and close the document is present on the right hand side. Like you see here. On the right side there are 3 buttons present. Next is the menu bar. The menu bar displays the various menu options present. On clicking once on a menu bar, a list of options drop down. This is called a drop down or pull down menu. The menu bar also has a close button on the right corner which can be used to close the current document. Next is standard toolbar. The standard toolbar displays icon for some of the menu option like new, open, save and print, etc. These icons are shortcuts to these options. By clicking on these icons, the function related to that icon is performed. Next is formatting toolbar. The formatting toolbar displays option for text and paragraph formatting. Here is the style of font. Here is the font. You can say that of which kind font will be used, size of font, and then it can be bold, it can be underlined, at which position it can be, and in this way we will do this in our practical class. Ruler. The ruler acts as a measuring tool like you use scale. It allows you to set the layout of the document by changing the page margins, setting tabs and indents. You will learn about these features in your later classes. Second last is scroll bar. Document window shows two scroll bars, vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. These scroll bars are used to view the part of the document which is normally not visible on the screen. The vertical scroll bar allows to move the document up and down. Vertical is this way and horizontal is this way. Vertical is for up and down and horizontal is for left and right. Clear? Last is the status bar. The status bar located at the bottom of document window provides information about the active document and position of cursor. For today you have to do reading from here page number 54 to here page number 57. All of you just read it properly. Tomorrow I will explain in the practical class how to open it and how we will use all these bars. Okay? Have a great day dear students. Allah Hafiz.